Are you a dad over 40? You need to lose weight or die trying. And that's just the truth. I'm James Skugadal. This is Rise Again Fitness. I want to help you shed 15 to 30 pounds of fat and then start building muscle so you can take on the world and kick ass for your kids' sake. All right? Let's get after it. Here's the plan. All right, for the first 30 days, I'm just going to lay out what I'm doing, and I want you to let me know in the comments if you think it's a good idea, if it's stupid, if it's something you've tried, or something that you're willing to try if you want to lose weight. You can see my previous video, how I was at the pool with my kids, and I'm just resting, and my belly's hanging out. Like, what the hell happened to me? All of a sudden, I got a belly. And I had injuries. I talked about it in another video. I hurt my left arm. I had pneumonia. Then I got a bad chest cold. I work 5 to 6 12-hour shifts a week. I drive an hour to work each way 3 days a week, 30 minutes a day the next 3 days. Like, it's a lot. Okay, I'm busy as a mother effer. And as a result, I kept my same weight, 200 pounds, but instead of having it as muscle, I got a lot more of it as fat. And where does it go? It goes to the belly because I'm old as shit. I'm 41. And I got 3 kids and I'm busy and no more excuses. All right. So I was at the pool and I saw this video of me doing these double front flips. And I'm like, this is sick, man. This ain't right. I need to lose this gut. And so I'm getting back to basics. And that means eating clean. No more snacking. I've been snacking. All right. At work, a snack. I'll be getting Cheetos, dude. I'll be getting Cokes. I'll be getting Rice Krispie Squares. I'll be buying chocolate bars. I'm like, what am I doing? Why am I torturing myself? This is only going to impact me negatively as I get closer to 50 and 60 and 70 and 80. And if I don't play my cards right, who knows? Maybe I don't even make it to 80 because I treated my body like crap by feeding it trash. So what am I going to do? I'm going to eat clean. Clean. Super clean. That means no fast food, no junk food, no chips, no soda, no chocolate bars, no trash, okay? Clean food. What's clean food? Low fat is clean food. Fat is 9 calories per gram. 9 calories per gram of fat. 4 calories per gram of carbs or protein. So when we're chugging down the fat, whether it's in butter, whether it's in deep fried foods, whether it's in high fat meats like steak or pork, we got problems, guys. We're going to put on weight because we're obviously watching this video because we're undisciplined, because we're worried about our weight, because we have issues with our health, and we're lazy as shit. And so it's time to change, okay? And so we got to eat clean. You're going to eat white rice. You're going to eat cream of rice. You're going to eat more rice. You're going to eat fruit. You're going to eat more rice. You're going to eat broccoli. You're going to eat green beans. You're going to eat salad. You're going to eat lean ground chicken, lean ground beef, like 90-10, all right? Or better if you can get it. You're going to eat chicken breasts without the skin. You're going to eat lean fish, no salmon. You're going to eat tilapia, whitefish, cod, halibut, okay? You're going to eat lean. You're going to lay off the pork for now. You're going to lay off the steaks for now. All right? You could eat some roast beef, but the fat has to be removed. For 30 days, I want your fat intake to be less than 20 grams a day. That's it. You can't go over 20 grams of fat a day. If you can do that for 30 days, I guarantee your calories are going to be down. I just know it. I know it because you won't be cheating. For breakfast, you're going to eat cream of rice. You're going to eat some egg whites. And maybe you throw some turkey breast, sliced turkey breast on there. That's going to be a good breakfast. That's going to fill you up. That's going to be enough calories and protein. So a cup of egg whites, 4 slices of deli meat turkey breast, lean, and a slice of reduced fat cheese. That's 40 grams of protein, 4.5 grams of fat, 4.5 grams of carbs. All right. Then you throw in a 1/4 cup of cream of rice. That's like 33 grams of carbs, like 130 calories. I mean, your breakfast is 300 calories. but it fills you up. It sustains you. You're going to go to work. You're going to drink water. None of you guys are drinking enough water. I'm not drinking enough water. We got to drink 3 liters, 4 liters a day. Okay? That's like a gallon a day. It's hard. It's hard to be disciplined enough to drink that much water. I only got 3 liters in today. I had time to throw one more in, but what I do, I drink coffee. And that just dehydrates you. But I love coffee. I'm working 12 hours. But my goal this week is to cut down the coffee and up the water. Because if you're not peeing clear like every hour and your pee is yellow, dark yellow, smells like coffee, obviously you're dehydrated. Obviously you're not drinking enough water. So keep that in mind. You need to up the water because thirst, will masquerade as hunger. So you'll feel hungry, but really your body's like, I need some water, damn it. So give it some water. And then for lunch, eat some white rice, a cup and a half of white rice, a piece of fruit, and 4 to 5 ounces of ground chicken or ground turkey or lean ground beef. All right, then you get hungry a little while later, drink some more water. Drink a half a liter, like chug it. Drink a whole liter, chug it back. Then see if you're still hungry after that. If you're still hungry after that, then what you're going to do is you're going to have either another piece of fruit or you're going to have some more white rice. All right, and then hopefully work's ending soon. You might have a little bit more water as you're driving home. Then you have dinner with your family. But you're going to tell your wife, look, honey, I'm losing weight for you, for the kids, but most importantly for myself. And I don't want anything high fat for dinner. And so you and the kids, you might have it, but I don't want it. And so if she's a good wife and she's making you dinners, I hope that she'll do that for you. So you're going to have her make you chicken breast, all right, with a low-fat barbecue sauce, or a Greek type of dinner, but low-fat sauces, of course, because you're keeping your fat to 20 grams a day. Or you might just have more ground chicken with rice and some broccoli or green beans, okay? And if you're still hungry before bed, have a piece of fruit. Have a bowl of berries. Okay, you can even sprinkle some table sugar on there because 1 teaspoon of table sugar is only like 4 grams of carbs. I mean, it's nothing. Just a little bit. It's a little bit of honey on there. Something just if you need a sweet tooth. All right, buy some low-fat ice cream if it's really low-fat. Might taste like crap, but it might get you through. If you could just stick to this for 1 month, weigh yourself at the beginning. Measure your belly, measure your chest. Take before pictures, relax and flex on your front, relax and flex from the back. Weigh yourself every week. Take pictures, the same pose every week, and be disciplined, guys, to drink the water, to eat clean, to cut down the fat, and to move 10 to 20,000 steps a day minimum, no matter what. I promise you, you will lose a significant amount of weight in 30 days. And if you don't believe me, just watch my transformation over the next 30 days, starting from my last video. All right, I'm down 4 pounds in the last 6 days, and I know it's only gonna continue. So I want the best for you because I'm a dad over 40. I'm busy. You're busy. You have kids, you have a wife, you have a job, you own a business, you have responsibilities, but your main responsibility is to yourself, guys. Cut the fat, then let's build the muscle, then let's take over the world. You got it? Like, subscribe, leave a comment, whether good or bad, I don't care. I want to hear from you. Where's my dad's at? Let's go.